Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In our previous videos we have already shown how we made our steering wheel pedals and shifter for playing driving simulator games. So in this video we'll be trying to make a gaming console to play two-wheeler games, almost similar to a bike handle. First we'll start with the software part. We have to convert the Arduino board into the joystick by uploading the joystick firmware. For that you need to follow some steps. First, download and install JRE Flip installer. The link is given in the description box. So here is the downloaded file. Just double click to install. Now download this UnoJoy Win RAR file, and after downloading you have to extract this zipper file, and when you open this folder you should be able to get 15 items. Now open this UnoJoy Arduino sample. In that UnoJoy Arduino sample code. Now connect your Arduino board and select the COM port and upload this particular code. In the Arduino board, short these two pins. And now in the UnoJoy folder, double click on turn into a joystick batch file. Here you have to get a pass message as I have shown here. After that you will get a sound. Then unplug and replug your Arduino board. At this point the Arduino board will be having the joystick firmware, so it acts as a joystick, which means the Arduino board is converted into a joystick. So for checking that, go to control panel, select view by large icons, and here go to device and printers. So you can able to see the UnoJoy joystick symbol here. Again, to turn this back into Arduino board, I have shown the procedure at the end. So till here we have done with all the software part. Now we have to move on to the hardware and connections. First I'll show you how the connection should be and how it works. We are using two 10 kilo ohm potentiometers, one for accelerator and another for controlling left and right for the handle, and two push buttons, one for the brake and another one is for engine start stop button. First I will be showing the connections on the breadboard. So this red color wire will be our positive. I will directly connect it to the 5 volt of the Arduino board, and the blue will be ground. So this will be our first potentiometer. The left and right pins will be positive and negative, and the central one is the signal pin which goes to A0 pin of the Arduino board. In case of second pot, the positive and negative remain same, and the signal pin goes to A2 of the Arduino board. In case of push buttons, the one terminal of both goes to the ground and other pin is connected to Arduino digital pin 4 and 5 respectively. We have also provided the circuit link in the description. You can download and refer to that. Just to check the controls, we can go to control panel, devices and printer. Here on the joystick icon, just right click and open game controller settings, properties. So here we can able to see the push buttons activation. And these axes are for potentiometers. And also, before closing this window, make sure to keep both the axes at the center position. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Test Drive Unlimited game to check this console. The game download link is provided in the description. You can download it from there. So after downloading, if you open, so it looks like this. Here, go to Options, Controls. First we'll set the potentiometer for the accelerator. So just click on this and set one of the potentiometer for accelerator. So next, for the brake, we'll set the push button. For the left, we'll turn the second potentiometer towards one side. And for the right, the same potentiometer towards another side. Then go to dashboard and assign the second push button for start. So now we have configured all 4 controls. Just save the settings. Now I'll show you how it works practically inside the game. Next, we'll move on to the design part. I am making use of pipe pieces for the frame. And this is for the brake. So this complete mechanism will act as a push button, which we can assign it to the brake. And this will be the throttle. So in this way I am attaching the throttle to the potentiometer. Another potentiometer I'll be attaching here for turning left and right. The start stop button will be fixing here at the end. All wirings are done. Now just I'll be mounting it on a wooden base. So this was all about the tutorial, guys. I hope it was very helpful for you. And also don't miss out the realistic gameplay at the end. To turn your Arduino back into normal, first short these two pins again and double click on turn into Arduino batch file. In the similar way, you have to get the pass message, then unplug and replug your Arduino board. So that's it. If you want to try this, we have provided all the sources in the description box. For any queries, you can leave a comment below. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you again in the next one.
Yeah.